How to change your Gmail name. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on settings icon on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on see all settings, which is the first option. Simply click on see all settings. In here, go to accounts and import. After that, scroll down till you find send mail as. Click on edit info beside it and you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can simply select what you want as your username for the mail. Click on save changes and you're good to go. If you want to entirely change your Google account's name, then simply click on your profile on top right corner of your screen. Then click on your Google account. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, go to personal info located at the left side. Simply click on personal info. In here, you will find name option. Click on name. Then click on name again. From here, you will be able to edit your first name and your last name. After you're done, click on save at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to change your Gmail name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.